All right, we are live. So this is Dr. Jason Gonzalez and this is Dr. Shane Smith. We are coming at you from the specific chiropractic centers here in Chico. And believe it or not, we're going to be doing this live little video every Thursday between 9 and 10. And we're going to call this little segment Specifically Answered. So being chiropractors and being experts in health and wellness, we get tons of questions from our patients and patients' families wondering what the heck we do in the office. And they ask us general questions about health and wellness. In fact, I think Dr. Shane did a seminar last night on the brain-gut connection. So we're often a resource for our patients for health-related issues that they're having. And so what we want to do is use this time to answer the questions that a lot of you guys have out there about the work that we do, or just a general health question. And so today I think we're going to answer one of the most common questions that we get, and that is, what's one of the biggest differences between the work that we do as upper cervical chiropractors versus maybe general chiropractic? And one of the biggest differences I think that we get asked quite a bit from our patients is, why don't you guys adjust your patients on every visit? And Dr. Shane, do you want to tackle that
Sure.
question?
Well, so the reason that we, first of all, we check to see if our patients need an adjustment every single visit. And ideally, if we're doing a good job, the patient ought to need fewer and fewer treatments as time goes on. And so what we want to do is make sure, if we're going to adjust a patient, we want to make sure it's done at the right time. If a patient comes in and we check them with our testing and they're free and clear, well then why on earth would we attempt to adjust them? That'd be no different than taking your car to a mechanic and they decide to do some work on it that was unnecessary. That's not okay. So we want to make sure that our patients need to be adjusted. If they need it, we adjust them. If they don't, well then that's great. That means you're getting better. It's a high five moment. We can start scheduling patient visits further and further apart. And ideally what we want to have is, we would love to have our patients never need to be adjusted.
Exactly. The goal of the work that we do, as Dr. Shane alluded to, is to correct the problem. We're not interested in helping you manage the dysfunction. We actually want to see the problem or the dysfunction go away. Mm-hmm. So the adjustments that we provide are designed to be corrective in nature. You shouldn't have to have them every time you come to see us, because if that's the case, then what's really being fixed or resolved.
Right.
So that would be the answer to the question as to why you don't need to be adjusted every time you come in to see an upper cervical chiropractor, is because the doctor is checking and using objective measures to determine when you need to be adjusted and when you don't. And hopefully, if the job's being done correctly, it shouldn't have to be adjusted all that often, and you get well.
Yeah, that's it. I mean,
okay. So next week, we're going to be coming at you again between Thursday between 9 and 10. If you have any questions about the work that we do here in the office, any questions regarding just general health questions, diet and lifestyle related kind of things, be sure to post those in the Facebook feed, and then Dr. Shane and I will go back over the course of the week and we'll pick out the most common questions that we see, and we'll come back at you again next week, same time, and answer whatever questions you guys have about your health. So again, thanks for watching. This is Specifically Answered.
Rock and roll, guys.
All right, take care.
Afternoon.